Welcome back. In my previous video, I had seen the shortcut tricks of heat equation. Today's goal of this lecture, today I will see some more example. Actually, heat equation is very important for any competitive exam. So, at first I will tell you, please see today's video with pay attention because this type of question actually very important for all competitive exam. Okay? Let's see first example. All of us know the heat equation is del U del T equal to C del 2 U del X2 when 0 less than x less than a and t greater than 0 subject to the boundary condition u0t equal to uat equal to 0. This is true for all t, and when ux0 equal to fx, when fx equal to sin nx, then the shortcut trick is the solution would be look like uxt equal to e to the power minus n square ct sin nx, and when fx equal to cos x, then uxt would be e to the power minus n square ct cos nx. This is solution. I hope my all viewers have understood. In my previous video I have seen this is. If you don't see my previous video, at first see my previous video. Then first solution is, let u be the solution of heat equation del u del t equal to del t u del x2 with 0 less than x less than pi and t greater than 0 with the boundary condition u0t equal to u pi t equal to 0. And here given uxt equal to sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x. Then option 1, uxt stands to 0 as t tends to infinity, and this is true for all x belongs to 0 pi. Option 2, t square uxt stands to 0 as t tends to infinity, and this is true for all x belongs to 0 pi. Option 3, e to the power t uxt tends to 0 is a bounded function for all x belongs to 0 pi and t greater than 0. And option 4, e to the power 2t uxt tends to 0 as t goes to infinity, and this is true for all x belongs to 0 pi. This is very easy type question. Here uxt equal to sin x plus sin 2x plus sin 3x and c equal to 1. That means first here n equal to 1, for this n equal to 2, here n equal to 3. At first I will see as the solution, then I will see is uxt tends to 0 as t tends to infinity, then I will see other option. Here uxt equal to, for sin x e to the power minus t sin x, for this e to the power minus 2t n square ct e to the power minus 4t sin 2x plus e to the power minus n square, here n equal to 3, e to the power minus 9t sin 3x. Okay, this is the uxt. And as t tends to infinity, obviously uxt tends to 0 as t tends to infinity, and this is true for all x belongs to 0 pi. I hope my all viewers have understood. That means option 1 is a right option. uxt tends to 0 as t tends to infinity. Second option, since uxt equal to e to the power minus t sin x plus e to the power minus 4t sin 2x e to the power minus 9t sin 3x, then t squared uxt means t square divided by e to the power t sin x plus t square divided by e to the power 4t sine 2x plus t square divided by e to the power 9t sine 3x, and t square e to the power t. When t goes to infinity, notice this is apply L'Hospital rule because here infinity by infinity. So this first this would be 2t over e to the power t, then this would be 2 over, apply again L'Hospital rule, then this would be 2 over e to the power t. And as t goes to infinity, this value tends to infinity as t goes to infinity. Similarly, if we apply here also L'Hospital rule, this is tends to 0. Similarly, here also this all tends to 0. So, t square uxt tends to 0 as t tends to infinity. Option 2 is also right option. I hope my all viewers have understood. Imply e to the power t uxt is bounded for all t greater than 0 and x belongs to 0 pi. Uxt equal to e to the power minus t sin x, e to the power minus 4t sin 2x and e to the power 9t sin 3x. Since then e to the power t uxt means obviously this would be absolute value of sin x plus e to the power minus 3t sin 2x plus e to the power minus 8t sin 3x. And obviously for all t greater than 0 and x belongs to 0 pi, this value mod sin x less than equal to 1, and as t goes to infinity e to the power minus 3t goes to 0. Also this value goes to 0 as t goes to infinity. So e to the power t uxt always less than equal to 1. So this is bounded. So option 3 also right option. And fourth option imply, fourth option e to the power 2t uxt tends to 0 as t goes to infinity. Uxt equal to e to the power minus t sin x plus e to the power minus 4t sin 2x plus e to the power minus 9t sin 3x, and e to the power 2t uxt means obviously this is equal to e to the power t sin x plus e to the power minus 2t sin 2x plus e to the power minus 70 sin 3x. And here indicate u2t uxt tends to 0 as t goes to infinity. For this t goes to infinity, this term goes to 0, this term goes to 0, but this term goes to infinity. But since this term goes to infinity, so whole term goes to infinity. So e to the power 2t uxt tends to 0 as t goes to infinity for all x belongs to 0 pi. This is the wrong option. I hope my all viewers have understood this type of question. Okay, well. Question which had come GATE 2012 exam. The example is del 2u del x2 equal to del u del t, where u equal to uxt, with the condition ux0 equal to cos x plus cos x times sin pi x sin 5x. Admits a solution. Option 1 e to the power minus 36t over 2 sin 6x plus e to the power 20t sin 4x. Option 2 e to the power minus 36t over 2 sin 4x plus e to the power 20t sin 6x. Option 3 e to the power minus 20t over 2 sin 3x plus e to the power 15t sin 5x. And option 4 e to the power minus 36t over 2 sin 5x plus e to the power 20t sin x. For this, since ux0 equal to cos x sin 5x. For this, we all of us know, if you divide this as, first multiply 2 cos x sin 5x divided 2, then this value would be 2 sin a cos b, and this value is, we all of us know, sin a plus b means 6x plus sin a minus b, that means sin 4x. That means ux0 is this, and for this the solution is uxt equal to, since here notice c equal to 1, for n equal to 6, the value would be e to the power n equal to e to the power minus n square ct, means minus 36t sin 6x plus e to the power, here n equal to 4, e to the power minus 16t sin 4x. This is the uxt. So notice the option, if you common e to the power minus 36t, sorry, also here also would be half, because here half, so this here multiply half. So if you common e to the power minus 36t, then this value would be e to the power minus 36t divided by 2 sin 4x plus e to the power 20t sin 6x. Option 2 is the right option. I hope my all viewers have understood the shortcut trick. If you know the shortcut trick, then you can easily solve any heat equation. Okay? I will stop here. In my next video, I will discuss this type of question again, because this type of concept actually very important for higher study. Okay? See you soon. Stay safe and stay positive always. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you so much.